Hi, my name's Brian. I'm the owner of Quartz Carpet USA, and I'm here to talk to you about some of the frequently asked questions that we get on a regular basis. Our customers' favorite area to install quartz carpet is in the living room. They love to feel the quartz carpet when they're sitting down relaxing at the end of the day. They want to feel like they're walking on a cloud. They want to feel comfortable. And in the living room, there's no better place to put quartz carpet. Another favorite area of our customers' homes is in the shower. It's because it still has plenty of texture for grip. It's non-slip. They love the natural feel underfoot. They love the beauty of the stones. Nothing feels better than waking up, going to the shower first thing in the morning, and underfoot you've got that warm, comfortable, feels like a cloud seamless stone flooring system by Quartz Carpet. We've installed some of the most stunning examples in homes. And truly one of my personal favorite is when we install quartz carpet throughout an open concept home where quartz carpet goes from wall to wall in every room. It truly is incredible and awe-inspiring that just feels incredible to the touch. I hope you enjoy these videos. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.